Solving equations test review. It got cut off, but on the test it says evaluate when x equals 6. Whenever you see the word evaluate, a variable and a number, just put this number wherever you see the variable. So we would put a 6 here and a 6 here. And then rewrite the equation neatly. Okay? Now these fractions always trip you guys up. Just whenever you see a fraction times something over here, just rewrite it so that way you have one numerator and one denominator. Okay? Does this work mathematically? Yes. It's telling me 1/2 times 14 plus 6 times 6. I put it over 1. I multiply the numerator and the denominator and I get this. Okay? So whenever you see a separate fraction, you gotta put them together. So now I just solve and it's easy. 60 equals 14 plus 6 times 6 divided by 2. I give them the same denominator here. I need to use PEMDAS, right? I do the parentheses first. I get 20 times 6 divided by 2 equals 60. 20 times 6 gives me 100 and... why won't it write down there? Okay, it won't write down there. It won't write at all. Hold on, what is this thing doing? Okay. Okay. Sorry, now it's working. I get 120 divided by 2 equals 60. I simplify. 60 equals 60. If you get this number equals this number, it means when you evaluate it, it is true. It means this is a solution to the equation. That's what we mean when we say evaluate. Evaluate if this is the solution to the equation. Let's say you got 80, this thing isn't working anymore. 80 equals 60, you would say x equals 6 is not a solution to the equation. Okay? Let's try this one here. So if you will notice, we do not have an equal sign, so we will just be simplifying. Okay? So that means we will combine like terms until we can't anymore. So the first thing we always do is we rewrite the fraction as just numerator over one denominator. You have to know that this is the first step, that this is how you make it easier for you to answer the question. And then I write the rest over here, right? Now, I need to make this a fraction as well, since I'm adding fractions. And I will simplify, get rid of the parentheses. I get 8r minus 32 plus, over 1, sorry, plus 49r plus 70 over 7, right? I need to make the same denominator here. And I get 56r minus 32 times 7. Hold on, let me get a calculator here. 32 times 7. Hold on. 32 times 7 gives me 224 plus 49r plus 70. Now I combine my like terms here. Okay, those are my variables. These are my numbers. And I get 56 plus 49 gives me 105R. Negative 224 plus 70 gives me negative 154. And that's all I can do there. This is my answer. What about here? Here I have an equal sign, so this means I will be solving the equation. So remember, we have a fraction separate from this piece here. I need to combine them together before I do anything else. Same thing here, I have a fraction separate. I need to combine them. Now it's easy to solve, right? I want to make 6, so I do these here. Multiply this number by the top. Multiply this number here. Distribute, and I get 4a plus 8 equals a minus 4. I add the 4 here, I add the 4 here. These cancel. A equals 4a plus 12. I want to get the a's together. Okay. Let's do this last one here. I notice there is an equal sign, so I will be solving. Okay. So here, I need to combine the fractions and rewrite them. So I get 1/4 minus 2y over 3 equals 3 over 4 minus y over 3. I draw the line. 3 goes here, 4 goes here, 3 goes here, 4 goes here. Multiply, multiply, oops. Multiply, multiply, and now I just combine. I subtract 3 here. I move the y's to be with the y's. I get y by itself. I get y equals negative 6 over 4 or negative 1 1/2. Okay? And that's it.